Ooh. Good day to you. Afraid of colour? Me? Look at that profusion of colour. Sorry for sniffing. I'm out having my daily walk, which is so important just to get yourself safely out of the house. But you know, the sky's blue, the grass is green, beautifully watery surroundings around me here. And it's given me a time to step back and look at the house, think about the house, think about how I'm living, think about what's important, because we don't have to keep up with the Joneses because we'll never be in their house for a long time. So your house is just as good and as nice as everyone else's. But also give you a time to think, let's think about tasks. Like today I'm going to pop into my home office and look at it and rearrange and prioritise, because I think good housekeeping in your head, that everything's as up to date as much as it can be, is really important. But then have a look around your house and think, do you know, it's not that bad. Yeah, some paint therapy, you know, when the time's right, when you've got some paint in, when you've maybe got a bit more time. I think even rearranging, and I think with the weather being so nice, turn all our seating and sofas away from TV and put them to your windows and have a look, see who's out there. Check the nature in the garden. I've been attracting quite a lot of tits. I'll leave that to your imagination though, but seriously, I've been feeding the birds, watching all of that going on. Even had some deer in the garden, which is lovely. So switch your view from staring at the box, because I'm not on all the time anymore, but you can still catch me. And use your windows to look outside and be inspired. I am very lucky that I have these sort of views on my doorstep and I can get out and walk. So that's what I'm doing. And then when I get back home, I'm going to think about how I can bring all these colours of nature into my home to make me feel fresh and alive. So I'm going to pop into the studio, pop into my home office and update you on how to keep your home fresh and keep your mind awake, safe, sane and sterile.